Mga kaibigan, welcome to the Powers of Padre Pio, okay? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Paradise 3 dito sa Bulacan, alright? As you can see mga kaibigan, napakaganda ng tanawin, napakaganda ng nature. If you happen to visit Bulacan mga kaibigan, try nyo pong bumisita dito kay Padre Pio, okay? Ngayon ipapakita namin sa inyo ang ganda ng lugar ni Padre Pio dito sa Paradise 3 Bulacan, alright? Thank you.
The 50th statue of Saint Padre Pio located on the Padre Pio Mountain of Healing in Barangay Paradise 3, San Jose del Monte City, Bulacan was opened to the public in April 2019. Visitors have to climb 150 steps to reach the top, which offers a stunning view of the surrounding mountains. The site quickly became a favorite destination during Holy Week and is expected to attract Catholic devotees seeking Saint Padre Pio's intercession in the future.